It's my pleasure to address this important forum, which represents a turning point in how Somalia engages with the United States and the wider international business. We are gathered here today with a clear purpose to explore opportunities, build trust, and chart a new chapter of investment and trade between Somalia and the global partners, in particular the United States. For far too long, Somalia was portrayed through the lens of hardship and instability. Yet today, we are determined to write a new chapter of history, one defined by growth, opportunity, and transformation. Over the past 3 years, we left no stone unturned to ensure that we have the necessary development strategies and the creation of an enabling environment for trade and investment. At the core of this transformation has been our focus on creating an enabling environment grounded in improved security, institutional reform, and strategic planning. We've taken decisive steps to defeat terrorism, stabilize Somalia, and in particular Mogadishu, and restore public trust through the rule of law. We have also implemented key governance and economic reforms to strengthen institutions, promote transparency, and deliver better services to our people. To propel this progress and shape a more resilient future, we developed the Centennial Vision of 2060 and the National Transformation Plan, NTP, as a strategic framework that chart a clear path toward sustainable development, inclusive growth, and a vibrant economic driven by trade and investment. A vision anchored in reform, our National Transformation Plan and Vision 2060 are not just aspirations, they are a practical framework that place private sector-led growth as well as institutional partnership at the center. They chart clear path for Somalia to become an economy driven by productivity, innovation, and openness. Ladies and gentlemen, Somalia has already achieved a historic milestones with the completion of the debt relief process, restoring fiscal credibility, and enabling access to global finance. Building on this foundation, my government has enacted investment-friendly laws, including robust investment protection, simplified business registration, and transparent financial regulation. These measures guarantee that both domestic and foreign investment are secure, sustainable, and profitable as well. We are also reforming public financial management, decentralizing services, and fostering inclusive governance. These efforts strengthen the rule of law, reduce risk, and create the predictability that investors demand. Opportunities in a strategic location of Somalia. Somalia is uniquely positioned to become a hub of trade and investment. With over 3,300 kilometers of coastline, the longest in Africa, and a location at the crossroads of Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Somalia offers unmatched access to international markets, whether it's Europe, the Gulf, or Asia. Our geography places us at the center of the global trade routes. Our natural assets are equally compelling: fertile farmland, abundant fisheries, renewable energy potential, livestock, and untapped mineral resources and wealth all await sustainable investment. Agriculture, energy, logistics, ICT, and infrastructure are priority sectors ready for transformation through international partnership. For courageous and visionary investors, Somalia represents not only an emerging market, but also a first-mover opportunity. Regional and global integration. Ladies and gentlemen, Somalia's economic prospects are strengthened by its membership in the East Africa community, giving investors access to a dynamic regional market of over 300 million people. Our advanced access to the World Trade Organization will align Somalia with international trade standards, further reducing barriers and creating predictable environment for global business. These steps reinforce Somalia's role as a gateway economy, anchoring trade flows within the East Africa and linking them to global supply chain. A partnership with the United States. This forum is a testament to the strong ties between Somalia and the United States. The U.S. private sector is globally known for its innovation, technology, and ability to identify opportunities where others see only challenges. We believe Somalia is precisely such a frontier market. By combining American expertise with Somali potential, we can unlock transformative projects that deliver jobs, innovations, and sustainable growth to Somalia and the Horn of Africa region. The government of Somalia is ready to be your partner. We will facilitate your entry, safeguard your investments, and ensure that the returns you achieve are not only financial, but also contribute to a shared prosperity for both our people. In conclusion, a call to invest now. Ladies and gentlemen, the opportunity before us is clear. Somalia is no longer a country defined by its past difficulties, but by its future possibilities. We are laying the foundations for a strong, dynamic, and diversified economy that will endure for the generations to come. Somalia is open for business, and we have a vision, the reforms, and the human resources. My government will facilitate your entry, safeguard your interests, and ensure that your success is also Somalia's success. The opportunity is here. Thank you. The opportunity is here, and the time is now. Together, through trade and investment, we can turn Somalia's potential into a reality of jobs, innovations, and growth. I thank you.